Be interested in an eye serum
Yeah.
if we thought a different serum would be better than Avola. I
Yeah.
typically put the Avola around here very gently. I'm not slathering it on, I'm
Yeah.
just like dabbing it. And, I'm not sure if there's something else would be better than that.
I
More,
think it's probably sufficient.
yeah,
If I'm being honest, I
yeah,
think you could do wash out around the eyes,
yeah,
which we'll be very careful with. I know that you've been in remission for a while, you're healthy and stuff, but just, when you're introducing that around the eyes, just kind of monitor it before you start doing it every day.
yeah.
And if we do this for a few months and you're like, I still feel like I could take it up a notch, maybe that's when we look into a potentially different formula for the eyes. But I think the Avola is great, especially if you're just doing a light dab, because it's going to spread a little bit. So you don't want to get it too close to the eyes.